Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your GoodX Web to enable call-ins from patients. This setup will enable patients to call a practitioner / talk to a doctor and enable the doctor to receive these call-ins. Now, start by clicking on the Settings button in the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings window, click on the Diary Settings tab. In this tab, click on the Grand Central Settings panel to expand it. Scroll down to the Available Features section. In this section, check the Call-ins box to enable call-ins. Once the box has been checked, select a telemed booking type from the drop-down to link it to a call-in booking. Click on the Sync Online Profile button to sync your changes to your online profile. Once you're done, click on the Save button.